could probably explain this better than I do. So what exactly are you doing? Why are you driving so slow right now?
Trying to get my my hybrid assist battery fully charged, because that charge is not that much and it'll burn it pretty quick, but I need as much of it as possible just so I can go as fast as I can off the bat from the beginning, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think it adds about 10 horsepower for this car.
Is it?
I think so, yeah.
It definitely makes a difference.
What a launch. Definitely got to use all the road with this low horsepower car, flooring it and looking like a leisurely cruise compared to other sports cars, maximizing the power band. I like how you knew beforehand, but at least it's nothing drastic. Besides the one mistake, how'd everything feel?
Felt good.
Okay.
Yeah. Felt fine. Yeah, I was just pushing a little too hard right there and just had too much speed to make the corner and understeered basically.
Understandable, yeah. And it's good that, just for viewers to see, no need to panic turn in, because it's not like there's going to be more grip allocated anyways. Just
right. I basically just straightened out the wheel a little bit and tapped the brakes, slowed myself down, and just had to take the next corner a little slower than normal.